Start. The present suit is instituted for a decree in favor of plaintiff and against defendant for a sum of rupees 3 lakh towards damages or compensation on account of losses suffered by plaintiff in terms of money and reputation, and for filing false and frivolous criminal complaint case along with future interest at the rate 18% per annum from the date of suit till its realization. Stop. Para. Plaintiff has come with the averments that plaintiff is working as a civil engineer and enjoying a good reputation in his field. Stop. It is averred that plaintiff received a legal notice dated 2/2/2013 alleging that therein the defendant is carrying the business of aluminium and also stockist of Bharat Aluminium Corporation Limited and proprietor of Messrs Metal India. Stop. Defendant also alleged that plaintiff through broker approached the defendant for purchase of aluminium, and after inquiry from common acquaintance defendant agreed to sell the required goods to plaintiff, and wide invoice dated 27/5/2011 bill for rupees 6 lakh was raised, and in lieu thereof partly payment was made by plaintiff to defendant by issuing a check for rupees 5 lakh drawn on Standard Chartered Bank, Parliament Street, New Delhi, which was returned unpaid on its presentation. Stop. It is averred that plaintiff had no business relationship with defendant and no such transaction had ever taken place between parties as alleged by defendant in his legal notice dated 2/2/2013. Stop. It is averred that the above legal notice was duly replied by plaintiff through his counsel, wide reply dated 18/2/2013, and defendant was a stranger to plaintiff and had never dealt with plaintiff and also never issued or handed over the said check to defendant. Stop. The true facts as stated by plaintiff are that defendant is a friend of plaintiff, and in June 2010 plaintiff had taken a friendly loan of rupees 15,000 from him for 3 months only, and against the said friendly loan plaintiff had delivered a signed blank check drawn on Standard Chartered Bank, Parliament Street, New Delhi, only as a security check to defendant. Stop. After 3 months plaintiff had paid the above loan and asked defendant to return the check, to which he was told that he would have to search the check and after getting it he would return the same to plaintiff. Stop. After few months, plaintiff again asked defendant to return the check, but he was told that it has been misplaced and felt sorry. Stop. Believing the version of defendant, plaintiff never asked him again to return the check. Stop. It is averred that plaintiff had also filed one complaint regarding the said incident at Delhi. Stop. It is further averred that thereafter defendant filed a criminal complaint case under section 138 of NI Act before the learned CMM, Central District, Delhi, in which plaintiff was acquitted vide judgment and order dated 29/5/2014. And from the observation of the Honorable Court, it is crystal clear that defendant filed a false and baseless complaint case against plaintiff with a view to falsely implicate him, to defame plaintiff, and to cause him loss and injury to the reputation of plaintiff. Stop. It is averred that plaintiff had to face the trial of the complaint case filed by defendant without any reasonable cause and suffered great pain, agony, shock, and mental torture besides financial losses and risks to contest the false and baseless litigation. Stop. It is averred that defendant had been propagating openly against the plaintiff about the false allegations leveled complaint case, and prosecution was initiated and continued by defendant against plaintiff without any reasonable or probable cause and maliciously on false and frivolous facts. Stop. It is averred that the news of dispute qua the dishonored check and criminal complaint spread like wildfire amongst the clients of plaintiffs, who started behaving in an altogether different manner, as if plaintiff is an unreliable person and have apprehensions that tomorrow plaintiff may not deal with them in the same manner, and so it would be better to stop dealing with plaintiff. Stop.